Hello everyone. Today we're at NAIT Blatchford Market Station in Edmonton. I've already done a video on this, but the first one wasn't that high quality, so I'm redoing this one. It's Edmonton's newest LRT station, with being opened in 2024. This station, previously there was a NAIT Station, but that was closed because that was only really made like a temporary station. Blatchford NAIT Station is currently like all finished, but they haven't opened it yet. Previously, the previous NAIT Station was actually easier to walk from to Kingsway Mall than Kingsway Royal Alex, but since that station's gone, now the easiest way is Kingsway Royal Alex. The thing that I find a bit weird is that they don't have crossing arms at this station. Train should be moving just about now. It's a beautiful station though, new station. I actually walked here from 118 Ave. Broken glass.
Your safety is important to us. Transit spaces are monitored 24 hours a day, and our personnel are here to help.
If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing. As well, in the description and pinned comment, I'll have a Alberta Transit Disco Server and the Place Marker Disco Server, right? About it for this station. There's not too much more to show. I don't know what that was about. Took everyone.